Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Femke and today I'm going to show you how I made these press-on bumblebee inspired nails. You could also make these on your own natural nails, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit and make some press-on nails. I've never done this before in my entire life. In like the full 13 to 14 years I've been doing nails and nail art, and yeah, this is just my first time trying, so do let me know what you think about it, if I should do this more. It is way easier for me to do it like this than to take off my own design all the time. So I'm just going to use this little stand with some like full false nails, and I just put these on here with some how do you call that, like poster body or something like that. So first up, I'm going to use all Madam Glam gel polishes because I just adore that brand. So I'm going to put some perfect black on the thumb as well as the middle and the ring finger. So I just want to do that and cure each layer for about 30 seconds, and I'm just curing it in my LED light. You can cure it in UV as well, but then you have to cure it for, I think it was like a full minute or something like that, but you just want to make sure that the layers are completely opaque. So yeah, I'm really curious to hear of you guys what you think of me doing something different like this, because usually I only show you working on my own nails. Sometimes I work with my non-dominant hand, most of the times I work with my dominant hand, but I'm really curious to know what you think of this little concept. But for the other two nails, I'm going in with this beautiful yellow color, which is called My Chick. This one is from Madam Glam's newest spring color collection. I don't know if it is like an official collection with a collection name, but it is one of their newest colors which came out this season. But this is a beautiful like sunny yellow, but it also contains some really beautiful shimmer in there, like a golden shimmer, which I really like. I think it's very beautiful. Then for the thumb, you want to make sure that everything is cured, of course, and I'm going in with a dotting tool and making some like how do you say that again? I'm totally lost for words. Making some honey drops, or at least I got inspired by some drip nail art design, and I really wanted to do something springy, but not something that everyone is doing at the moment. So I didn't want to do anything flowery or like really spring colored, like, even though this yellow is pretty springy to me, but I just wanted to do something bee inspired and just with some honey drips. So that's what I'm going to do for the thumb. I just used the dotting tool straight like from the brush. I just took the product off of the brush, I wanted to say. Man, I'm totally stumbling today. I just came home after a long day of work. It is Thursday as we speak. It is the 4th of April already, so I'm actually already a little bit late doing some spring nails, but you just want to blob it on, how I like to call it. Just do some very organic shapes and just make sure it looks like dripping honey. It doesn't have to be like perfect because honey isn't that yellow of a color, but I just really like it. And after everything is cured, you want to go in with your top coat, and I just made sure that I really went like in between the little drippy lines, because it is a little bit of like a 3D effect that yellow gel polish gave. So you want to make sure that everything has a decent amount of top coat before you cure it. And then we're going on to the next nail, and I just took my little like singular stand nail display thingy. I think this one works really nicely because you don't have all of the other nails which you had on the 5-piece stand like getting in the way and stuff like that. And I just took 3 different sizes of holographic gold glitter, and I just wanted to add some of that onto this nail and throughout the entire design as well, because you know me, I love my glitter, I love holographic, gold holographic, that's like a big win-win to me. So I just placed some of that glitter in the still sticky layer of the cured yellow polish. For another nail in this design, I think it is like the pinky or it's the ring finger. I'm going to add some of this glitter onto the black color, but I already applied a thin layer of top coat before I put the glitters in, because as you can see here, I was pretty much struggling with adding the glitter. For some reason, the sticky layer wasn't as sticky as I expected it to be, and I was just pretty much struggling with getting everything on there. But eventually I did manage to get all of the glitters on like where I wanted them to be. So I just added some big ones first and then just filled in some empty or like bare areas with the smaller glitter. You can just go in with any glitter of your liking. I just really liked to like make a little combination, like a little fun combination of the 3 different sizes that I got. You can go in with some finer glitter if you want to as well, or maybe even some micro beads. That would be a really fun like addition just to put on there as well. But yeah, I just went for these. And I'm using my little like crystal katana knockoff thingy. I got this one at AliExpress for about 2 to 3 euros, which is pretty affordable, especially if you compare it with the original crystal katana price. I think that one is like 20 bucks or something like that. I have never tried the real crystal katana though, so it might be better. I am totally not up to date on that because I simply haven't tried that. So if you do have or own and have used the crystal katana, do let me know if you think it is better than this one, especially if you also have the knockoff one, which I got from, I think it was from the Born Pretty seller, but I'm not sure. But they have it in like a couple of different colors. It has some cute little like gems in there, which gives it a little fun touch. If you're like me and you really like things to look super pretty, even like nail art tools. But yeah, do let me know if you have the real crystal katana and if you like it better than any knockoff. But this one works just perfectly fine in my opinion. After you put all of the glitters on the nail, you just want to add a layer of top coat and cure that and remove the sticky layer if you have a wipe top coat, which I had. So I actually took a little bit of rubbing alcohol and just got rid of any of that sticky layer which was left on there. Then for the middle finger, I'm going to add a thin layer of top coat because we're going to add some gold embellishments and some glitter and a little black like rose as well. This nail, I have to say, this was like me working like this out for the first time, and I didn't really have like a big plan in mind before I started recording. I usually work like that. I just go with the flow. I have like an idea like, oh, I want to use black and yellow and some glitter and just to make kind of like a Bumblebee inspired look. So I didn't really think about it that much. I just grabbed some of my like nail art stuff. I'm actually redoing I'm reorganizing all of my nail art supplies and tools and all that jazz. So I just ran in some random stuff and I was like, ooh, that's like cute to use. The same thing was for this little black rose. I think it is kind of like a metallic rose, so it's made out of metal, which is just formed into a rose. But now I look back at it, I might as well have used like a golden rose or something, or maybe just apply the black rose on top of a yellow nail, because now it kind of like fades into the black base color, but it does give a pretty cool effect when you see it in real life though. But I just added a little rose on there and I just had to keep on adjusting it because it was slipping like all over the place. And I also added a square golden embellishment and added some glitter in there as well. But after you've cured that all in place, you just want to add your top coat and cure it once again. I totally forgot to record that for some reason, so here we go. We are going on to the next finger already. So I just applied a little bit of top coat onto this nail, like I explained while I showed you how I did the first nail. So I'm just going to add some gold glitter onto this one. I think it's just a stunning nail. Black and gold is just a beautiful combination in my opinion. I really love it. I also like my blacks and silvers, but for this Bumblebee inspired nail, we really needed to add some gold into the mix. I might do like a silver and black design like in the future, but I don't really have like a very clear idea about that yet. I do want to do something like that, but I'm just not sure what it's going to turn out like. But that was already the ring finger. And just as usual, you want to make sure that every glitter is capped in perfectly. So just add a decent layer of top coat and just make sure that everything is covered with that top coat before curing. So that was the middle finger already. I just love how these four look like on their own, even without the pinky nail. But for the pinky, which was a yellow base, just, oh, that is such a beautiful one. I just love the shimmer in this yellow. It is so gorgeous, and I have to say all of the colors by Madam Glam are so extremely pigmented. Also on my right hand, I am also wearing a gel polish color by Madam Glam, which is called Florist, but I will be showing you that one more up close and personal in a near future video, or like in a video in the near future. Is that correct? My mind is a little bit like scrambled today, but I'm just going to do the same kind of design like we did on the thumb, but then just switch up the colors. So you have a yellow base and some black drippy lines. I really love that. I've done some videos or like designs of drip nails with regular nail polish as well on my own natural nails. So if you want to see how I do that with regular nail polish, you can check out those videos as well. But I just added some random like loose drops of like black honey on there as well, and you just want to cure that for half a minute at least, because it is a little bit of like a thicker consistency. And after that, you just want to go in with your top coat and cure that and get rid of the sticky layer as well. But that was already the entire like design tutorial. Do let me know what you think about me working like this. I also added a little like snapshot in here of me wearing it, but I just got interrupted by my cat, which is Timmy, by the way. I have two cats. They are called Timmy and Choppy, and Timmy is just always such a little curious boy, but you will see that right now, I think. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the holographic glitter in the sun as well. So while I was trying to do that, my cat actually came up walking towards me, which is such a sweetheart though. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.